We are in a very, very fortunate position that we own a software development company and we also own a training company. And when we pull those two things together, we have the ability to build simulators, training simulators. And I focus very, very much on the cone of learning. That 90% of what we learn, what we get out of courses is through simulation, by doing it yourself. Only 10% of retention is through class lecturing. Not saying that lecturing is not important, but it's a blended approach of theory and practice. We own, in our business, 3 project management training simulators. Our pride and joy that has just been released now is the Earned Value Management game, Under Surveillance, which brings the complexity of earned value management into a board game. And it's a hit across the world. We're selling it online on our website now, and it's part of our service offerings. We've got international training companies that will be franchising the Earned Value Management game. We are very, very focused on developing an integrated simulator for clients, but taking their current projects or up-and-coming projects, plugging them into the simulator. And the project team members that are going to be working on the project actually simulate their project in a safe environment, very much as a pilot would climb in a simulator. We're going to put our project managers through the simulator and then conducting risk analysis and scenario planning around the project in the simulator. Then refocusing the project based on those learnings and then taking the project into full execution, obviously using our technologies and our processes to back it up.